One great feature of the SDPC database is the ability to export the information out into Excel. This can make finding recently signed originating agreements far easier than searching through the database itself. Here I am on the statewide signed DPAs page, and I'm going to go ahead and first sort by originating agreements just to save myself a little bit of time. And then I'm going to click the Export to Excel button. Now when I do that, the resulting file is going to contain all of the agreements in the database. But I can do a few quick things in order to filter this down. First of all, it's going to be sorted by originating agreements because we did that before we exported it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a filter, and I'm going to select the originator column and take out all of the blanks. So now we're just looking at originating agreements. And next, I'm going to go to the date approved column, and I'm going to sort that Z to A. And now I can find all of these agreements that were most recently signed and put into the database. So if you maybe set up a weekly reminder or a bi-weekly reminder to go in and look for new signed agreements, this would be a very fast way to see those that have been recently uploaded.